Hello dear fans. What is the speed of sound? Various physical objects in a solid, liquid or gaseous state can sound. For example, a vibrating string or a stream of air blown out of a pipe. Sound is the wave vibrations of the environment perceived by the human ear. The sources of sounds are various physical bodies. The vibration of the source excites vibrations in the environment, which propagate in space. Sound waves occupy a frequency range from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, between infrasound and ultrasound. Mechanical vibrations arise only where there is an elastic medium, therefore, sound cannot propagate in a vacuum. The speed of sound is the speed at which a sound wave travels through the matter surrounding the sound source. Sound travels through gaseous media, liquids, and into solids at different speeds. Sound travels faster in water than in air. In solids, the speed of sound is higher than in liquids. For each substance, the speed of sound propagation is constant. The speed of sound depends on the density and elasticity of the medium, and not on the frequency of the sound wave and its amplitude. The sound wave can bend around the encountered obstacle. This phenomenon is called diffraction. Low sounds have better diffraction than high sounds. Here, the characteristic of the sound affects the direction of the wave, but not the speed. Formula for calculating the speed of sound in any one component medium. C equals 1/√ρ beta, where c is the speed of sound, ρ is the density of the medium, beta is the adiabatic compressibility of the medium. For a medium consisting of a mixture of liquids or gases, the formula becomes more complicated. In practice, reference tables are used, containing already calculated values of the speed of sound in various substances. The state of the medium through which the sound wave passes depends on numerous external factors: temperature, pressure, heat transfer between various objects. Therefore, lookup tables containing data on the speed of sound in various environments are necessarily accompanied by notes on the magnitude of external parameters. The speed of sound in ambient air is about 340 m/s, in water 1500 m/s, in steel about 5000 m/s. Thanks for watching.